Hey, welcome to Booze Hive. In this video, we're going to make a Blue Moon cocktail. A drink which looks and tastes amazing. Let's get into it. Take a long glass and add 1 part vodka, 1 part simple syrup, half a part lemon juice, and 1 part blue curacao. Then top it with crushed ice. For the cool two-tone effect, slowly pour 2 to 3 parts cranberry juice into the crushed ice. And there we go, an easy Blue Moon cocktail. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you plan to try it out, give the video a like. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.